Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a buffed Methi Puri. Puri in India is not just any dish, it's a sentiment. Puris are eaten with breakfast, lunch or dinner. They are associated with everyday casual lunches or for special occasions and festivals. Those puffed up beauties are indeed such a greatly versatile dish. Everyone loves them, adults and children alike. They have some sort of magnetic force which pulls us to them. Puris come in all sorts of flavours, and Methi Puri is a special one. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for our Methi Puri today, we will need 250 grams of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, also known as ajwain, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 bowl of freshly chopped and washed fenugreek leaves, also known as methi, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, plus another 200 ml of oil to fry the puris, 2 tablespoons of semolina, also known as suji, and warm water as required. So we're going to make our dough, and for that we're going to add our sesame seeds, our ajwain, also known as carom seeds, salt, fenugreek leaves, which we've chopped and washed, and semolina, also known as suji. We need semolina to get that nice little crunch in our Methi Puris. And finally we're going to add in our oil. Mix everything well. So once all of your ingredients are mixed well, it's time to add in some water to combine all the ingredients. We don't need a soft or really hard dough, we need to get it kind of in the middle. So now we're going to make our dough. So we've used around 250 ml of water, and this is how your dough should look. We don't need it to be too soft or too hard. And now we're going to add in another tablespoon of oil, and we're going to make it into a nice smooth dough. So now we have a nice and smooth dough. So this is how the consistency should be. It shouldn't be too soft or too hard. If you don't get the right consistency of dough, then your puris won't become fluffy. Now we're going to leave it aside for 20 minutes. So we're going to cover it and let it rest. So we've let it rest for around 20 minutes. Now we're just going to knead it a little and then make equal sized balls. You can take a portion of it, then divide it into equal parts. Then we're going to roll it. We don't want these parts to be too big or too small, just around this size. So if you just press it down and make a shape like this, then it will be nice and easy to roll out. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. So once you have divided them into equal parts, we're going to roll them out. We're going to make it into a medium-sized puris. You can make it a little bigger or a little smaller, it's up to you. You don't have to roll it very thin or very thick. It needs a medium thickness as well, just like this. If it goes really thin, then it won't puff up. And the same thing will happen if it's too thick as well. So this way we're going to roll all of them. So once you've rolled all your puris, it's time to fry them. So we're going to check if the oil is nicely hot. So we're just going to take a little piece of our dough and put it in. If it comes up straight away, then that means the oil is at a good temperature to fry the puris. So we're just going to take this out. So our oil is ready to cook now. So we're going to put in one puri at a time, and we're just going to gently press it a couple of times, then let it puff up. Once it's nicely done, we can just turn it around and let it cook for another 20 seconds. Then you can turn it and check, and then just remove all the excess oil, and to do that just do it like this, and then we're going to place it into a tissue paper which will suck up all the excess oil. In the same way we're going to do all of the rest of our puris. The main thing is just to gently press it a couple of times and wait for it to puff up. Then once it's completely done, you can turn it around to make sure it's nicely cooked from all sides. And the same way, you can slant it a little bit to get rid of the oil and remove it into a tissue paper. So in the same way, we've done all of our puris, and now it's time for plating. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!